Hey guys, just finished my 2018 holiday workshop. It was all about how to stick to your healthy eating goals, maintain your weight or lose weight, and do well over the holidays. And you guys, it went so well. I loved it. It was energizing, and I just wanted to share this little testimonial with you that just came in. The last lesson, it just blew my mind. My jaw is still on the floor. I have never heard or thought of handling cravings this way before. I am forever changed. It's like walking around in the dark, struggling to follow this path, and you turned on the light. Now I can see. Exciting, huh? And so here's a little announcement that is a new program I'm offering. Hello! Me and Moo wanted to tell you that I'm doing a special coaching package for December. And I haven't done this in a long time, you guys. I haven't taken new phone call clients in over 9 months. Like, I haven't advertised that I do that in over 9 months. If people were reaching out to me by email, I would take clients on, but I just didn't have the energy to go through and start offering this kind of phone call stuff because I had so many phone call clients for a while. And I just couldn't handle the workload anymore, so I had to stop the phone call thing for a bit. I was only doing email coaching, which was really effective and wonderful. Like, for instance, I have one client right now who just passed the 50-pound weight loss mark, so very exciting. But now I actually want to add in phone calls, which are even so much more effective to kind of get down into the root of things. So it's been 9 months. I'm finally offering this again, and I'm doing a special package for December. You can certainly keep the coaching going on after December if you sign up this month, and I highly suggest you try to stick on for at least 6 months, because that's a really great amount of time to kind of wrap your head around things, wrap your head around your own issues, and help me to help you understand those struggles and dive deep. But this particular thing I'm offering right now is just 30 days. It is the email journal coaching, which we do, which is highly effective. You also get 2 phone calls with me, 2 45-minute phone calls, where we're going to run through all the latest stuff I'm talking about cravings and your brain and why you have troubles. And we're also going to dig deep into your particular struggles about what's going on in your personal life and how you can improve that. What are your biggest struggles? What's always been your patterns and how we can fix those, okay? But just for December, this is special pricing for December. The price is going to go up in January. It's $197, okay? For all that awesome stuff, the 30 days of support to really keep you on track during the holidays here, which is what we're all looking for, okay? I'm gonna put a link for the purchase of this package down below. Now I wanna let you know, I have already reached out to my wait list. And you guys, I had 102 people on my wait list already. So I reached out to them yesterday, and so it's first come, first serve. I gave them a head start, so whoever signs up for this is gonna get in it, and I'm only taking 10 or 15 people because I just physically can't handle any more workload of calls, right? So 10 or 15 people are getting in on this, and my wait list is already a bunch of people. But if you want to get in on this special pricing for December and get the support that you need over the holidays, sign up now, okay? I'm so excited to get to talk to some new clients and hear some new stories and make some new connections. Check this out, see if it's something that's right for you. Hope to see you and hope to get to coach you really soon. Bye! And Moo says goodbye too. Right, Moo? Right? Yeah. Bye.